Welcome to Achieve Lifestyle's WOW workout. This is number 2 in our challenge, our summer series challenge. With this, we're going to shake things up a little bit. We're going to bring in one of our CV kits with bits of equipment. We're going to go with an ergo or a row machine. So we're going to start off the workout with a row machine. So the idea is we're going to get your heart rate up. It's almost a bit of a warm up. Then we're going to get into 2 exercises off the back of that. With those 2 exercises, we're going to be doing 3 circuits round. And the idea is you're going to do it as quickly as you can. Obviously with good form, it's what we always say, but as quickly as you can, you're going to have your time recorded at the end. Next to the demonstration on the rower, one of the key things on the rowing machine is to make sure we retain that neutral spine the whole time. So we're thinking chest nice and upright. You're trying to get your legs to do the work. So simple coaching point, legs followed by your arms, arms followed by your legs. Exercise number 2 is going to be our hurdle jumps or our lateral jumps. We're using this height of a hurdle for both male and female, okay? What we're looking at is clearance of the hurdle with both feet and both feet landing together. So when Nick's jumping, he has to clear the hurdle both sides. What we can't accept is if Nick moves in front or behind. The last exercise in this series is going to be a ground to overhead. Now there's a couple of options you've got with the ground to overhead. The first option is probably the more efficient option, which is an uninterrupted movement. Some might call it a dumbbell snatch, where you're going from the ground and you're literally going to try and use your legs to throw it up to an extended position. When you finish, everything must be in a line and your arms must be locked out nice and straight. The other option that you have, and it's going to demonstrate, is a more of a 2-stage option, which is a clean and press save. This might come into play if you get tired or if you feel the loads quite a lot. You can go into a 2-stage motion, which might help. So the workout's going to involve the ergo, the lateral jumps, and the ground to overhead movement with the dumbbells. The repetitions involved are going to start off with a 200-meter row. So you're going to start off the row machine, 200 meters. You're then going to move on to the lateral jumps and you're going to perform 10 jumps. Then ground to overhead and you're going to perform 10 movements on each arm. So 10 complete repetitions on each arm. We're going to repeat the jumps and the ground to overhead series 3 times round. So we're going to start off with the ergo, 200 meters. That's almost your warm up. Straight onto the three times round series. Top, 8, 9, 10,
I can feel it pushing up my heartbeat. I can feel it pushing up my heartbeat. I can feel it pushing up my heartbeat. I can feel it pushing up my heartbeat.
Last round now, 10 jumps. 10. So our first workout was one that you could do at home, you could do anywhere, do out in the park. This second workout is going to involve a little bit of gym equipment, and it's well worth getting coached on some of the exercises. If you can make some technical improvements on things like the rowing machine, you can exert more power, and things like the ground to overhead movements, you can get a faster time. Tip, use your legs. On the rowing machine, drive with those legs. You saw Nicky produced a lot of power. As he was producing that power, the ergo was actually moving. Okay, so he's using his legs a lot there. The other thing with the ground to overhead, use your legs. So from that bottom position, try and think about extending the hips first. From here, using the legs and then throwing the dumbbell up overhead, making sure your arms straight to the bottom and straight to the top. Have a go, have some fun with it.